is Harshit, and today I'm gonna show you how to play Anime Soul card game. Actually, by using this game we can also get free Nitro, and I have proof of that. Let me show you the proof first. So let me head over to my Discord. Yes, this is the person who sells Nitro. He takes Tommy's and then he sells Nitro. Yep, you can see that I have Nitro. So using this game we can also get free Nitro. So let's talk about basics of this game. So all you have to do is just come in network chat, which is in Mohit Gaming World's Discord server. Let me head over to the network chat. So this is Discord server Mohit Gaming World. I'll leave a link in the description. Wait a second. So all we have to do is just come into this section network chat. You can see network chat and just type anything random. Card will spawn, and all we have to do is to type claim and then this captcha code AANUW and then hit enter. So we have got this card in our inventory. There we have got 6 tiers of cards. Like this card is tier 1 card. You can see tier 1 card. We have got tier 2 cards, tier 3 cards, tier 4 cards, tier 5 cards, and tier 6 cards. uh, Tier 1 cards spawn randomly, nearly around 2 minutes. Tier 3 and tier 4, tier 5 and all other tiers are like they spawn randomly. So now let's dig bit deeper into this game. So all we have is 6 tier cards, like tier 1 to tier 6. All you can have some informations over here about NC section. You can see Anime Soul's official website. We have 6 tier cards: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5 and tier 6. Tier 1 cards spawn in every 2 minutes. All we have to do is just to claim them, and it comes in our inventory. And every card has its own value. Tier 1 cards has minimum value of 3 Tommies. Tier 2 card has minimum value of 10 Tommies. Tier 3 card have minimum value of 100 Tommies. Tier 4 card minimum value of 400 to 500 Tommies. And tier 5 cards have minimum value of 2000 Tommies. Tier 6 cards have minimum value of 3500 Tommies to 4000 Tommies. Actually, Tommy is the currency of this game. All we have to earn is Tommies. By claiming cards, we claim cards and then sell it onto Anime Soul's official website, and we get Tommies and then we can use. So now let us talk about cooldowns. So after we claim a card, then we get cooldown. These are mentioned in this channel about NC section. If you claim a T1, then you are not able to claim another T1 for next 2 minutes, and same for the T2 10 minutes, T3 30 minutes. If you claim a T3, then you're not able to claim another T3. If any T3 spawns in front of you, then you will get a cooldown. Let me show you how that works. Let's see if I have CD. Let's check AS exclamation CD. Do I have CD? No, I don't have CD. Let me claim this card. Claim TJRXL. You have to be fast. And let me go to the second server and try to claim another T1. Let's go to this server and type anything over here. T1 card spawn. Let me claim this one as well. RLPOA. Then you can see I have got cooldown for 107 seconds. So same goes with T2, T3, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So that's how things work. And T4, T5 and T6, they have got the most value. T4 has got 400 Tommies to 500 Tommies value. T5 has got 2000 Tommies worth, and T6 has minimum worth of 4000 Tommies. If anyone is buying your card below than that, then don't sell to that person. Let me show you some cards which have spawned earlier over here. Let me check PRT5. Let's see last T5s. These cards were spawned over here in this channel. If you want, then you can claim in this server. Let me show you about T5 and T6. Here are some T5s which have spawned in this server. Last T5 was spawned around 11 hours ago. So let's go to this card. So this is the card. He just wrote claim and this card spawned, and he just claimed the card. T5 easy 2000 Tommies. And now let me show you how the buying and selling works. Let's go to Anime Soul's official website. So now we are on the official website of Anime Soul. So first you have to log in using your Discord account. Click there will be an option over here. So you have to click on the login and then log in with your own Discord account. Then this page will be fully accessible to you. So all we have to do is to go to this shop section and then come into this inventory section. So whenever you claim a card, the card immediately comes in your inventory. For example, I claim the card, like I claimed this card. So let me show you. If you want to sell this card and earn Tommy, this is a T1 card, and you want to sell this card for 3 Tommies, just upload it to the market. Just type here 3 and sell. If any person is interested in this card, they will go to the shop section and market. Then you can see that this is my card which I just uploaded. And if any interested person is over here, then they can either buy the card if they want. Like I am not able to buy my own card. Let me show you. Let me buy now this card. Yes, buy it. So I have bought this, and my Tommies have been deducted from my account, and it has been transferred to the seller's account. That's how things work. So now let me show you another thing, which is auction. Some people prefer auctioning their cards if they want instant Tommies. Like let me show you. All you have to do and go to the inventory. Like the card you want to auction, it's simple. Like I want to auction this card, Red Blood Cell. Then just type 15 Tommies and then click on auction. If you want to buy cards on auction, then head over to shop, then auction. So like if you want to get instant Tommies, then you can auction your cards on over here. They also have in-game shop, and where you can buy banners, profile frames. Like you can customize your profile, and then you can flex on your friends that you have better cards, you have got better profile. If you have too many Tommies, then you can spend on this and you can flex on your friends. You know how the things work, that I'm a better player, I've got better cards than you. You can check my profile, it's kind of cool. You can go to my profile and you will see an option of mark as a referrer. If you want, then you can refer me, cause like I'm just teaching you the game. Then you can just mark me as a referrer that I taught you this game, and it would be very helpful for me if you just click on the mark as a referrer button, which will be available right here. Let me show you. Like let me go on this person's profile. You can see this is mark as a referrer. You can click on this, and then yes, this person referred me. If you click yes, then your photo and your profile picture will show in my referrals like them. And if you want, then you can refer me. That would be very helpful.
Draw your last pathetic card so I can end this, Yugi.
My grandpa's deck has no pathetic cards, Kaiba, but it does contain the unstoppable
02.
Impossible! I've assembled all 5 special cards, all 5 pieces of the puzzle.
Well, hold your horses, because we're not done yet. They have premium users, which they spawn packs for other users. They have got Demon Slayer cards, they've got ReZero cards, they have got Dragon Ball Z cards, they've got pretty much every anime cards. Okay, so hopefully I didn't miss any core element in this game, but I think that's pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that's it. That's all the Anime Soul, the card game, has to offer. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to click on mark as a referrer. That would help me a lot. So peace out. Okay, bye, have fun.